Hello, and this is Steve, librarian at the West Bloomfield Township Public Library. In this homework resources tutorial, I'm going to talk about a product called Rosetta Stone. So Rosetta Stone is one of the premier um, resources for learning another language. So this would be great for students if they're taking another language in school and they just want to, more to practice more in that language to supplement what they're learning in school, to practice what they're learning in school. This would also be great if you're traveling, to another country and you want to learn a little more about the language or some about the language before you go there. You can do, structured courses, or you can just focus on, conversation and vocabulary, things of that nature. So again, Rosetta Stone is one of the best products for learning another language. And as with all of our products, the first thing you need to do is go to our homepage, which is westbloomfieldlibrary.org. That will take you to the screen here. And all of our electronic resources are located under the e-library here. When you click on that, if you go to the left-hand column over here, this is databases. You click on databases, and then you have two choices. We've broken things down by subject. So you could, try to find it under one of these subjects, but this is where you can go to find other things if you just want encyclopedias or biographical information. You can do it that way. Or we have an alphabet here. So, if you know the product you're looking for, you can just click on the letter of the alphabet. So since we want Rosetta Stone, we'll click on R. And then we can scroll down to Rosetta Stone. Now, if you're at home, once you click on this, it's going to ask you for your library card number and your last name. So make sure that you have your West Bloomfield library card handy so that you can get in. The other thing about Rosetta Stone is that it will force you to sign up for an account where you'll put in a email address, you'll make up your own password. That's so you can track your progress. We have another product called Pronunciator that also gives you the option to sign up for an account to track your progress, but there's also like an instant access type feature there. With Rosetta Stone, there isn't. You pretty much have to sign up for an account to be able to do it. So then once you get into Rosetta Stone, it will take you to the screen here. You've got your launch Rosetta Stone Foundations, which is where you go for the main product. My reports, if you click on that, you can see what you've completed, what you've done. You can download that into like an Excel spreadsheet, so you can do it that way. And then if you needed some kind of support help, you can click there. My reports is also sort of a redundancy of this over here. You can change your password at any time, and you got your home, which will take you back to this screen here. Also up here in the upper right-hand corner, if you would need to see this information on this page and on the language to start with, they have given you the option to choose from a number of different languages here. And then, like I said, if we want to go into the main product, we click Launch Rosetta Stone Foundations. So when I last left off, I had told Rosetta Stone that I wanted to learn Greek. And so it then popped up this screen here, and I wanted to leave it here so you would sort of see if you're selecting, a new language, what is going to happen. So you've got a number of things you could choose from. So you can do extended with reading intro. So reading intro teaches characters and their sounds. So it gives you a ton of different options here, which you'll have to read through and decide what is most appropriate for you. I'm just going to choose the standard down here. So it's just optimized for efficient learning of content and skills. So when I click on standard, I just do apply changes, and then it takes me into, the Greek module. So then as you can see, there's 4 different lessons here. So we're defaulting to lesson 1. Then we have lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. And then underneath each of those lessons, you got your core lesson. So this one's 30 minutes. You got pronunciation, which is 10 minutes, vocabulary, 5 minutes, grammar, 10 minutes. You want, to fully use this product, you want something with a microphone so you can, speak, hear yourself back. Um, and then you just click start, and then that will start the course. And so it says, it asks you, like I said, so you want to make sure your microphone is set up. And yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then once you go through that, you're all set. So then it goes into pronunciation, and it asks you to speak clearly and repeat the word or phrase. Of course, it's you're not hearing me say the word, so it's giving me the error message. So dismiss this and see if I can go back. So you can see how it's integral for you to have a functioning microphone, because you're going to have to repeat this stuff. So you can use your computer microphone and speaker as well. I'm using a headset. So again, you have all these different things: pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar. And then, again, after you do that, you can, and then some of the lessons there, then they add more, different types of lessons, listening in this one. Then when you go here, there's a review. In lesson 4, you have more speaking as well. Ooh, milestones down here at the bottom. So, this is just a really great product. If you wanted to switch languages, if you go up to the upper right-hand corner, you can do switch languages. And if you chose another language, then that will pop up that screen again, asking you what kind of, program you want. You can edit your profile if you want. You can see your achievements, and you can sign out here. Up here in extended learning, you can do like the audio companion. Depending on what you choose that initial screen, more things might appear here. So you might have some other kind of reading things or other options there. So that is pretty much Rosetta Stone in a nutshell. It's pretty straightforward. Um, Once you sign up, choose your language, and you got your different lessons, and underneath it, different lessons or different kind of activities that you can do. So I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you'll give Rosetta Stone a try. Thank you.